Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. So as you guys can see, we have the tablet right here. Now if your fast charging is not working, then first I would recommend checking the cable and the charger for any damage or compatibility. So if this charger you use is, let's say, made by any other firm, like not Samsung, but let's say Xiaomi, and you're using it to charge the Samsung, then I wouldn't expect it to work, even though they also use the fast charging. So it's only dependent on the charger you use. It also can be due to the damage that your fast charger is not fast charging at all. And also it might be the issue of your charging port. So as you guys can see, we have the charging port right up here. Now if you guys see that it's either dirty or anything else, then that might also cause the issue. So if it's dirty, I would recommend cleaning it with a soft brush or compressed air. Soft brush does a job better, but air compressor is for very stuffed ports, because when your port is stuffed, then you can basically block the entire connection between the charger. Even though it's charging, it won't fast charge. So it's very important to clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool, as I've provided two examples, which is the soft brush and the air compressor. And now what you guys can also do is test with another charger or an outlet. So you guys can take another fast charger, for an example, not the original one, but basically anything else, and then you can clearly see if it will work or not. Now you guys can also plug it into other outlet, so try and test a couple of outlets in your home and see if anything works. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is open up the settings, and here in the settings we need to scroll a bit down until we see an option called software update. So here in the software update, what can we do? We can click on that and click on download and install. Now it will check for updates automatically, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date. My One UI version is 7.0 and the Android version is 15, so everything's good. But if you haven't updated your software in a while, then basically that might cause the charging bugs, and that's why your fast charging may not work. So you definitely want to update your software. If you haven't updated it, then basically it will take around 15 to 20 minutes with a good internet connection, and up to an hour with a little bit worse connection. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.